What's up, guys? What's up, man? So I don't know what's going on. I guess they are saying you guys have like stolen before or whatever, but they want you at the store and they don't want to sell any merchandise to you guys, and they have that right.
No,
So that's fine. I believe you, but they're a manager and they don't want you guys in the store. They feel like you guys are about to steal. I guess you have a fake Walmart receipt on your phone. No. Okay. Well, we don't have to get into that. If you guys just want to leave peacefully, you guys want to do that? Okay. That way's closed. That exit. We'll walk you guys out this way.
You want them trespass, right? They come back. You want to do the whole thing and then trespass and they come back over.
Okay, cool. So we're just gonna go to our car, get your info, and then they're gonna put a trespassing thing on you guys. Okay? So we can do this civilly.
Am I the person?
What?
Am I the person?
Yeah. We're gonna go. Let's just do this outside by our car. No one. You're not going to jail or anything. We're just gonna do this trespassing, so you guys can't come back here. It doesn't matter. We're gonna go to my car. We're not gonna do this inside this Walmart. People are trying to shop. Okay, you guys are detained right now. You're not going to jail, but if you guys want to make this a fuss, then we can do that. Let's just leave this store peacefully while people try to shop. Let's keep walking.
I put down my shopping cart.
Okay. Follow her out. Alright, come on. Yeah, the receipt right there. Yeah, okay, stop stealing. Let's go. I don't do this. You're like 40 years old and you're still stealing, dude? Get a job. Let's go. Where? Don't reach for it. Get your fucking hand off the knife.
Sorry, sir.
Get the fuck out of the store. I'm not playing around.
How stupid are you?
Hold this shit.
I'm trying to take it.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey.
Put your hands behind your back. You're being detained.
I'm sorry.
Hey!
Drop the phone. We're gonna put you in handcuffs because I don't know if you have other weapons.
Stop.
If you fight, you're gonna get on the ground.
You're gonna get thrown on the ground.
I'm promising you right now, you're not gonna win this fight.
Stop.
I'm trying to pull my leg.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Hey, can you tell them to stop? It's a mistake, dude.
We're putting you in handcuffs, dude.
Hey, excuse me.
I'm gonna put you on the ground.
Hey, can somebody help me?
Stop.
I'm not trying to do nothing, please, man. Can you tell them to stop, please?
Not yet. Not yet. Get him in cuffs.
Stop. This is my partner. Gotta do that, both. Don't freak out. Get him on.
Help me, please. Stop.
Turn around. Hey, dude.
Help me. Ma'am,
They're not gonna help you.
Ma'am, help me, please.
Hold it. Okay, dude. Hey, dude, you're about to get punched, bro.
What we need, unit code 3. That'll work.
I'm not waiting.
He's got a gun! He's got a gun! Shoot him! Shoot him!
Team 464, shots fired, 1033 Walmart, stage 91.
463 shots fired.
I got it. 464. Subject's gonna have a gunshot wound to his head. I need 91.
You're making this hard on yourself? Stop resisting my partner.
I'm sorry.
Don't freak out.
Freaking out, please.
Don't
Stop.
freak out. Just get him.
Hey, help me, please.
Turn around.
Look at that lady. Tell that lady to stop.
Turn around. Hey,
Can you
dude.
help her? Ma'am,
They're not gonna help you. Turn around.
Ma'am, help me, please.
Can you grab this?
Help me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, dude. Hey, dude, you're about to get punched, bro.
Oh, my leg. My money, please. Give me my leg. Stop. I'm not waiting. He's got a gun. He's got a gun.
Hey, stop.
We're putting you in handcuffs, dude. I'm gonna put you on the ground.
Stop. Please stop. I'm not trying to do nothing. Please, man.
Not yet. Not yet. Get him in the cuffs.
Stop resisting my partner. Don't freak out. Don't freak out.
Help me, please.
They're not gonna help you. Turn around.
Ma'am, help me, please.
Slow down.
Ma'am.
He's got a gun! He's got a gun! Shoot him! Somebody shoot him!
You in handcuffs, dude.
Hey, excuse me.
I'm gonna put you on the ground. Stop.
I'm not trying to do nothing. Please, man.
Not yet. Not yet. Get him in the cuffs.
Stop resisting my partner.
Get him in the cuffs.
Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Just get him on.
Help me, please.
Turn around. Hey, dude.
Help me. Ma'am,
They're not gonna help you.
Ma'am, help me, please.
Okay, dude. Hey, dude, you're about to get punched, bro.
So, 464, we need unit code 3. Onward.
Come out, baby. He's got a gun! He's got a gun! Shoot him! Shoot him!
46. 18464. Shots fired. 1033 Walmart. Stage 91.